dan kan jy dit afneem en upload en toe ook al. Hoe jy uit 'n skoolbus?
Dis oral vir skoolbus.
Nee, maar ek dink dis sy eie een. Nou is baie ou. Ja, hy het gisteraan so 3 keer om die huis, gister 3 keer om die huis gesukkel om te land. Nou, maar ek dink hy was besig om baie te vinnig om te gaan om hier op hierdie kort stukkie te land. Baie te vinnig.
Loads of cars at the airport.
Ja.
Wat was dit, Marina? Hoe voel je altijd goed?
En hy daar ook nie bly stil as dit gebeur nie. As people vra what happened and you tell him what happened. It makes very much easier.
As ek word jy al goed gelyktydig vashou. Dandelion poop all around.
Ja. Animal Science Road.
You know, the grizzly bears are up here. Here they are. There they are. Grizzlies.
Is die pad oop? Is die pad oop?
Okay.
Ons nou nog padwerk om ons hier so.
I think it's open as far as I know.
Ja, probably kom karre. Ja, het lyk so. Moscow Pullman. Mas o iPhone ainda não fui, vais nem ver. Ja, nee. Ja. Ja, ik weet, ja. Mijn brein werken. Kijk eens. Ja. Sportsbar. Yes. Where did I forky? Yeah, fancy you.
Will work with you to assess your needs and the outcome you desire, whether or not that may involve surgery.
There's not a lot of times in orthopedics where I will look at a patient and say, you must have this surgery. They don't feel like I'm pushing them in a certain direction. They have the information that they need to make a good informed decision about what's right for them.
Inland Orthopedics and Pullman Regional Hospital, partners in orthopedic excellence. Learn more at inlandortho.net.
I'm Lori McCann, and I'm running for Idaho State Senate, District 6. As your current state representative, I have vowed to protect our family values and defend our Idaho way of life. I believe decisions are best made close to home, with strong local control, and not dictated from Boise. I'm committed to standing up for our communities and preserving the freedoms that make Idaho strong. On May 19, vote Lori McCann, State Senate in the Republican primary. Thank you.
Paid McCann for Idaho.
They're going Mad with Money every Sunday at the Clearwater River Casino during the $12,000 Mad Money Sunday giveaway. It's your chance to win your share this May from noon to 7 p.m. Every hour, one lucky winner will take home $300 cash. Only at the Clearwater River Casino.
Zo, bij trekbreid met een stukje tissue. Hier's dink is 'n 5 of 6 slaapkamer, maar so op hierdie pad is 'n plaashuisie maar hy's te koop. Sien iewers op die pad uit. Pad.
Yeah, I can see what's
Nee, is iewers. stuk land is te koop. Go God for sale.
Yeah.
Môre. Colorado.